Hi everyone, so in today's we're going to make this tutorial in After Effects and it's very simple. So we're going to start by typing any word which you feel like. After that, place S on your keyboard and then scale our word. So position that word in the middle and wait for the next. Grab any smoke footage and place it in the composition. If your smoke footage failed to fit in the composition, like main place R, and rotation it to fit the composition. Make sure all the entire footage fit in the composition. Go down and make the text Luma matte. So you can see the smoke in our text, but we are not done. Wait. What we're going to do is to add another smoke on top of the fast smoke. So grab again the smoke footage and place it on top of this smoke as it is, with the same position. If you want to rotation any image, use R for rotation. Change its color to green to identify it easily. So position it in the same position with the fast one. After, drop that new smoke footage down. So you can see the smoke movements, but we are not done wet. Go to the downer smoke footage and place T to bring the opacity, and after make the opacity 60. So here we want a perfect ending. Adjust the smoke footage like this and leave the text to be fast. So you can reduce more on the downer smoke footage if you want. So, to make a perfect ending at this point, place Ctrl-Shirt-D to cut this point. Reduce its opacity to 32 and click on its clock watch, move a distance and make its opacity 00.